Hello students, hope you have watched the first video of exponents, that is exponents or indices 01 by Moinak Mukherjee. Now I will do some sums, numericals on these chapters. I think that you have watched the video. Okay, if you don't watch the video at first, watch the video, then you will watch this video. Okay, because there will be some problem. Okay. I have chosen some sums from the book from M.L. Agarwal and other books. That is very helpful for class 6, 7, 8, 9 standard, all are there. The first one is that simplify. Okay. What to do? Look, the first one is that simplification. This is 5 square minus 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 2 into 3 by 4 whole to the power minus 2. Okay. This thing we have to find out. How to find out? Look, this is very easy. 5 square is 25. Now look, the power is negative. I told you that a to the power minus m equal to 1 by a to the power m. So what we will write? 1 by 4 whole square, right? This is 3 by 4 whole to the power minus 2. In the last video I had already taught you this 3 by 4 whole to the power minus 2 can be written as 4 by 3 whole square. Okay? Achha, now, so this is 25. How it comes? I have already done there. Please watch the video. So 25, this is minus. This is what will happen. This is 1 by 16. This is 16 by 9. Now what will come? 25 minus, this will go up 16 into 16 by 9. So we are getting 9 into 16 by 9. This is equal to 16. If they ask you to convert it in the exponents form, so you can go for this one, 16. That means 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 to the power 4. But if no, it is a simplification, sorry. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now we go to the next one. This type of sums are coming in the exams. Okay. Next one is 5 by 7. Look, this is the next one. 5 by 7. 5 by 7 whole square to the power minus 1 to the power minus 3. What will I do? Look here, what we are doing? 5 by 7 whole square, right? And this minus 1 and this minus 1 multiplied, we get plus 3. Again there is the 2 power. We know that a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power mn. So what we are getting? 5 by 7 to the power 6. That means 5 to the power 6 by 7 to the power 6. Okay. Or you can go for multiplication. If it is simplify, you have to so go for multiplication. 5 into, or you will keep the answer here. Okay. Now the third one. Now we'll go for third one. Okay. This type of sums are coming in the exam. 2 to the power minus 5 into 15 to the power minus 5 into 500 by 5 to the power minus 6 into 6 to the power minus 5. How to solve this type of problem? Look, it is given 2 to the power minus 5. This is a prime number. You cannot split it more. But 15 is not a prime number. You can split up 15. How to do? So 15 means 3 5s are 15. So you will write 3, or one thing you can do, this can be written as 1 by 15 to the power 5, right? Right? This one. And this is 5 to the power 6, that is 1 by 5 to the power 6, 1 by 6 to the power 5. And this is 500. 500 means So it is getting 2 square into 5 cube. Okay. Look, this thing is positive. 2 to the power minus 5 can be written as, I will not write this one, 1 by 2 to the power 5, right? Now what is my job? Now what will I do? Look, this is 2 square, this is 5 cube, right? Now this thing and this thing will go up. 5 to the power 6 into 6 to the power 5, right? And it is 2 to the power 5 into 15 to the power 5. 15 to the power 5. Okay, can you watch it properly? Yes. Now what I will do? Look, 6 is not a prime number, 15 is not a prime number. So we will go for splitting of 6, 2 3 is 6, and in case of 15 we have already done. So 2 square into 5 cube into 5 to the power 6 into, instead of 6 what will I write? 2 into 3 whole to the power 5, right? And this is 2 to the power 5. Instead of 15, what will I write? 3 into 5 whole to the power 5. So we are getting 2 square into 5 cube into 5 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. And this is 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. Okay. Now what will I do? We will go for cancellation. Look, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 cancelled. 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5 cancelled. So we are left with 2 to the power 2. Now it is, look, 5 to the power cube into 5 to the power 6. Two bases are equal. Two bases are equal. That means we will write 5 to the power 3 plus 6. And here we will write 5 to the power 5. So this is 2 square into 5 to the power 9, right? By 5 to the power 5. So we write 2 square into 5 to the power. Look, this is a case of division. 5 to the power 9 by 5 to the power 5. So 5 to the power 9 plus 5. So 2 square into 2 to the power 4. That is 2 to the power 6. This is the answer. Can you see it, students? Can you see it properly? Yes, you can see it properly. Look, now I think you can see it, right? Okay, please copy. Sorry, there is a mistake. Look, 5 to the power, this will be 5 to the power 4, not 2 to the power 4. Sorry, there is a mistake. So this will be the answer. Or you can write 4 into 5 to the power 4, whatever may be. Okay. Or you can write here 4 into 5 to the power 4 means 6 to 5. Or you can write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 4 into this 4, multiplying this we get 6 to 5. That means 2500. This is the answer. Okay. It is better to write this is the answer. You are going here. Okay. I think you can watch. You can, yes. Please copy the sum. And please check the calculation. Maybe some mistake. Please check the calculation. Okay. You must check the calculation. But the method is 100% right. In every video I told you that please check the calculation. Now we find this type of sum. Determine 8x. This one is very easy. We will do one fast. Number 2. Express this one as a power of 5. Now 125. Look, this can be written as 525 5 5. So 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. Right? Now what is given? 125 whole to the power minus 4. That means 1 by 125 whole to the power 4. Sir, from where it is we are getting a to the power minus m equal to 1 by a to the power m. In the first video I have discussed this one. Okay. So this is now 1 by, what is 125? 125 is, this is 5 cube. 5 cube whole power is 4. So 1 by 5 to the power 12. 1 by 5 to the power 12. Or this can be written as 5 to the power minus 12. If they ask you in the question that convert it, express as a power of 5. Oh, as a power of 5, you can write this one, 5 to the power minus 2. Okay, this is the power of 5. Now we'll go for question number 1. Determine 8x whole to the power eto, okay, if this one is given, okay, now 9 to the power x plus 2, we are doing 1 equal to 240 plus 9 to the power x. So what we are getting, 9 to the power x plus 2 minus 9 to the power x equal to 240. This will come here. Or look, what is 9 to the power x plus 2? That means 9 to the power x into 9 square. Why sir? Multiply these two, 9 same base and power added. So this can be written as this one, and this is minus 9 to the power x equal to 240. So what we are getting, 9 to the power x is a common, 9 square minus 1 equal to 240. That means 9 to the power x into, this is 81 minus 1 equal to 240, right? That means 9 to the power x into 81 minus 1 is 80. We are getting 240. So 9 to the power x equal to 240 by 80, right? So what we are getting, 9 to the power x equal to, this is 3. Now from this we have to find x. Look, bases are not equal here, but 9 can be written as 3 square whole to the power x equal to 3. This is 3 to the power 1. Now look, power, that means we know this will be 3 to the power 2x, because we know a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power mn. So 3 to the power 2x gives 3 to the power 1. So that implies 2x equal to 1 or x equal to 1 by 2. Sir, how will I get? Look, base equal, and there is a equal to sign. So power equal, base equal. That is why we convert 9 as a power of 3, so that we can compare these two. These 3 and 3 we can compare. Bases are equal, so power are equal. So x equal to half. This is the answer. Okay. Now the last one we will do in question number 3. How will I do? Find x if this one is given. Look, this is not a easy one. Actually, these 3 sums I have copied from class 8 book M.L. Agrawal. This is a very good sum. This is for class 8 or 9 also. So find x if minus 2 by 3 whole. Look, here the two bases are equal, minus 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. What we have to do? This one we have to change. So minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 13. This is 3 by minus 2 whole to the power 8 equal to minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 2x plus 1. Right? So look, this is minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 13 into, this can be written as, if we change, can you remember x by y whole to the power minus m equal to y by x whole to the power m? I have written 1 by y by x. Or look, here what we are doing, 3 by minus 2. It is given 3 by minus 2. So what is 3 by minus 2? Can we write 1 by minus 2 by 3? 3 by 2 can be written as this one, to the power 8. That is equal to minus 2 by 3 to the power 2x plus 1. Student, I am doing fast, I know, because the time is the problem. But you just watch the video 2 to 3 times, you will understand if there is any problem. Look, 3 by minus 2 can be written as this one. Why? Because it will go up 3 by minus 2. Same thing. Why I am doing this one? So this is minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 13 into, this is 1 by minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 8. Right? We can write this one. Isn't it? Equal to minus 2 by 3 whole to the power, is it 2x plus 1 or minus 2x plus 1? It was minus 2x plus 1, sorry. This is minus 2x. Minus 2x plus 1. Okay. Now look, this is in a division form, isn't it? Base equal, and there is a division. So we can write minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 13 minus 8. That is equal to minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 2x plus 1. Okay. Students, one thing you see, now both the bases are equal. Both, whatever we have done this one, this is both the bases are equal. Both the bases are equal. Because this is a division. In case of division, we know that there will be a subtraction in the power. So, I am doing here. So, we can write minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 21 equal to minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 2x plus 1. Now, base equal, therefore power equal. We can write minus 2x plus 1. Right? If it comes in this side, according to linear equation, it will be plus and this will be 21 plus 1. That means 2x equal to 22 or x equal to 22 by 2. That means x equal to 11. This is the answer. Please check the answer. Please, I am requesting you to check the answer. It is given in ML Agrawal. Okay, maybe, but method is wrong. Maybe some minus or plus and just I have forgotten to write this one, minus 2x plus 1. I have forgotten to write. So anyway, just please check the answer whether it is right or wrong. No, method is 100% right. Just check the calculation. Okay. So this is the basic thing. And in this way, in the next one video most probably, I will do some sums. There is some proof that will be mainly for class 9. This is for class 8, 7. You can say the first two videos is for class 7, 8 and also 9. Okay. So in the next video of exponents, I will upload some sums from different sums from class 9 book. Okay. So keep on watching my channel. I think you will be quite benefited for that, and please try to watch it very carefully, or please check the calculation whatever I have done. I know that most of the cases the calculation is that still there is some problem, minus or plus some problem. Please check the calculation, but the method is 100% right. Okay. Okay, thank you, and thank you for watching.